Hi, welcome to Rojibai's kitchen. Now I'm going to show you how to make ghee laddu, which is very simple and tasty. We can make it for all festivals. Come, let's go into the video. Let's take 1 cup of green gram first. If you're new to this video, subscribe and press the all bell icon. Give a like and share to your friends. Now let's roast this 1 cup of green gram into golden brown in color. See how it is roasted? It is golden brown. Don't get it burnt. After roasting, put it into a mixie and grind it into a flour. Now you can see it. Let's take a convenient dish and put the flour into it. I have taken 3 cardamoms and made it into powder. Now let's sprinkle on the flour. I've asked a GK question in the last video. The answer is conjugal false. After adding this cardamom, let's put 1 cup of sugar in it. Mix everything together. The most important secret is don't make the sugar into powder because it won't give a crunchy taste. The flour is mixed well and have taken 1/4 cup of ghee. Melt the ghee and pour it into the flour. It will be hot, don't use your hands. Take a spoon and mix it well. This video's GK question is, which is the longest seashore in India? Mix it well. Now make laddus. This is how we have to catch laddus. It must be round. Try like this and put your comments. It will give a different taste if you didn't grind the sugar. If you want more crunchiness, you can add roasted cashews, raisins and diamond sugar candy. Melt ghee and make little by little. Let's do the plating. The ghee laddu is ready to serve. Store it after 1 day. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.